If you're giving your OpenClaw agent massive documents, code-based repos, or thick PDF manuals to read, you're probably burning through your API tokens at lightning speed. By default, agents read the entire file into the context window every single time. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable QMD, quick markdown, a local vector semantic search engine that cuts those token costs by up to 70% while making your agent's memory razor sharp. Here is the problem. When your agent needs to reference a specific rule from a 50-page company handbook, standard file reading tools grab all 50 pages and dump them into the prompt. It doesn't matter if the answer was only one paragraph long, you still pay for the whole book. And worse, flooding the context window makes the model slower and prone to hallucination. Enter QMD, built by Toby, the CEO of Shopify. QMD is a local first search sidecar. When you hook it up to OpenClaw, it indexes your entire knowledge base locally using a combination of BM25 keyword search, vector embeddings, and re-ranking. So instead of reading the whole document, your agent queries the database and retrieves only the exact 3 paragraphs that contain the answer. It is retrieval augmented generation that is RAG done right, entirely on your own machine. So let's look at the steps in getting this up and running in OpenClaw. Setting it up is surprisingly easy. First, you need to install QMD CLI, which is outside OpenClaw. Since it runs on bun, open your terminal and run bun install and the URL to QMD. Bun is a fast JavaScript runtime. You will also need a SQLite build that allows extensions. If you are on a Mac, brew install SQLite handles that. QMD runs completely locally and will automatically download the necessary embedding models from Hugging Face on its first run. So this is my terminal connected to the OpenClaw machine. And if I type bun help, you will notice that I have bun installed. So that is the first thing that you need to install. It is straightforward. And then I have also got QMD. See here, I've got QMD installed. QMD status. Let's type. So this is a fresh installation, QMD status, 0 files index. Okay, so I have asked OpenClaw to start populating QMD. Now, if you type QMD status, you will notice that index, this is the location, size, 36 files indexed, 32 embedded vectors, 32 embedded vectors, pending 3 needs embedding, run QMD embed. That OpenClaw will do. So after installing, you just need to tell OpenClaw to start using it. So here, when I told OpenClaw, it is still busy. But first time when I told, can you index and populate QMD, it said, I don't see anything named QMD in the current workspace. So do I need a bit more context before? So I told it, quick markdown. Then it start indexing. So indexing is on now. Okay, so 36 files indexed, 54 embedded. Okay, so done. QMD is now fully indexed and populated for this workspace. So now this will begin saving 70% tokens. So instead of sending the entire context along with every query, it'll only pick the relevant chunks using this similarity search. So created QMD collection for the workspace, generated vector embeddings for the collection, and we can query like this. We have a summer camp coming up. QMD query. Let's try that. QMD query. Some can. First time it is being executed outside openclaw. So it is downloading the model. So installation we saw, we need to install bun and then we need to install QMD outside openclaw. Now tell openclaw to stop using its basic SQLite indexer, switch to QMD. Open your openclaw.json and under the memory block, set backend to QMD. Let's see that. See here, memory backend QMD. So this is where we specify in openclaw.json file how to begin using QMD. Let this continue. Let the download continue. Let's look at some aspects of QMD. We saw that openclaw.json needs to be edited and added QMD. You can also tell it exactly which folders to index by adding a paths array. I haven't done that. For example, point at your till notes or your team documentation folder, etc. Once you save this and restart the gateway, openclaw will quietly index those files in the background. The next time your agent searches its memory, it'll use lightning fast vector search to grab just the snippets it needs. Switching to QMD or quick markdown vector search is the single biggest architectural upgrade you can make to your openclaw setup. So you can reduce from spending hundreds of API costs to pennies on massive research queries. Okay, few more seconds to go. Okay, downloaded. QMD query expansion model. Okay, it has to download the re-ranker model. Let's wait. Okay, it has finished downloading the re-ranker model. Now these downloads will happen only once. We will rerun the query to confirm this. Okay, so model downloading is over. Now here it found the chunk containing SummerCam. This is the document on which it found this chunk. Okay, so now let's execute make a lab. Let me query. See, now there is no fresh downloading happening. It is querying. This openclaw machine is 2017 Mac Air. So it's not new silicon searching. It, 2 queries, embedding, found re-ranking, 23 chunks. Before we conclude, let's understand the structure. The core idea is instead of storing knowledge as messy text PDFs, long documents, QMD stores knowledge as small structured markdown chunks, optimized for search, embeddings, and retrieval. This is a quick markdown example where the markdown itself will have a structure. So intent will be there, commands, explanation, tags, and related documents, etc. Why this is different from normal markdown? This is not normal markdown. It is structured, search-friendly, embedding-friendly markdown. So each QMD becomes like this with the ID, intent, and the embedding vector, which is a long set of numbers in a hyperdimensional space. We have made several videos on how embedding works. This helps in doing similarity search, okay? Semantic similarity. Now, this is stored in the vector database, instantly searchable. And benefits of QMD, ultra fast search because small chunks, clean structure, retrieval is faster than PDFs, documents, long documents. Better RAG accuracy. Each QMD file is one clear idea. So embedding is precise. So no big documents, mixed topics, poor embeddings. QMD, one intent per file, clear retrieval. So massive token reduction. This is the biggest win for you. Without QMD, send 2000 tokens of documentation. With QMD, send only 50 or 150 tokens, the exact match containing the search query. The result is lower cost, faster response, better accuracy. Okay, so here is the second query. Okay, so this confirms that the QMD is set up and is working. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Techie Talks AI, and I'll see you in the next.